Tobanjiang. Tobanjiang is Chinese chili paste made out of fava beans. And then this is so easy and simple to make. Usually you buy this Doubanjiang in a store, usually contains preservatives or MSG, but this is very natural and a healthy paste. So let's get cooking. Okay, ingredients are, this is fava beans from our backyard, naturally agriculturally grown, about half a pound or so. And then this is Korean chili powder, about 10 grams. And then this is shio koji, which is fermented koji, Japanese traditional condiments you can find in Japanese grocery store. This is about same as chili paste, 10 grams. And then miso. We made last year homemade miso. This is about 25 grams. So only 4 ingredients. Very easy to make. First, we're gonna prepare fava beans. We need to shell the fava beans, all of them, and then we're gonna steam them for 20 minutes. So let's get shelled.
Finished.
So now we finished shelling the beans. So we are going to steam it. So I'm gonna use this steamer, and then you just put some water inside of the pot, and then through this steamer you just pour our finished beans. We're gonna steam them for 20 minutes, and then why I'm steaming this is I don't want these beans to too wet, so that's why I don't boil it. I'm gonna steam it. So 20 minutes steaming makes this beans really soft. We really wanna soft beans. Okay, let's get steaming. Meanwhile, we're gonna mix our ingredients. This is miso. Okay. Then shio koji. And chili powder. Mix them well.
All the ingredients are mixed.
Okay, now the beans are steamed. So we need to take this outer shell off because this outer shell is too tough. So we are going to peel them. It's okay to be like this, breaking apart, because we're gonna make a mash out of this. So you can just put everything inside of this shell to the bowl.
It's finished.
Okay, so we're gonna mash these beans now. So you can use just back side of a spoon and then mush like this. So beans are supposed to be very tender enough to mash. So we need a as smooth as possible. So you need your muscle to make the mash. Okay, now it's finished. It's kind of smooth, but not big bits of beans are not left. So it's all smashed. So this is finished. Okay, so last step, we're gonna mix with this chili base and then mashed beans all together. Okay. So you need to mix really well this stage. It can be a little dry, but it's okay. It's all mixed well. I think it's finished. Then we need to transfer this to a little jar. You need to really pack them like miso paste that we made before.
It's finished.
Okay, so this is finished, and then you need to leave this for room temperature for 1 day to blend all the flavor together. And then after that, you need to transfer this to refrigerator. And then this is last about a month. And then you can freeze it if you cannot finish using it. So in a freezer, it's about 3 months you can use. And then this Tobanjiang is very versatile to make it. It's just, you can use same as chili powder or another chili paste. So just make it really hot. So you can put this to the stir fries or soup, of course ramen, anything. So this is very healthy fermented chili paste. So please give it a try.